Hi guys, my name is Vijay and welcome back to Tech with Vijay. Today we are discussing about one of the LeetCode problem on what is median of two sorted arrays can give num1 and num2 of size m and n respectively. Return the median of the two sorted arrays. Example, input num1 we can give 1, 3, num2 we can give 2. Now output we get 2. And the second example, input you can give 1, 2, num2, 3, 4. Output you get 2.5. So let's try the logic first. Given input is num1 equal to 1, 3, num2 equal to 2. So what is the median here? 2 is the median. Now 1 plus 3 equal to 4, 4 by 2 equal to 2. That's why 2 is the median. Let's try another one. I can give n equal to 1 and 2. I taken these values. Next I can give m. I can take 3, 4. Then I will write merged. Equal to, I can write separately out of 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think let's change the color here. I can take red. Here 2, 3. 2, merged equal to 2 plus 3 by 2. That means these are two merged values. Thus we can get the median of the two elements. Let's try 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. This is our answer, and this is the logic of the code. I know you better to understand it. Let's classify it. We can take another color. N equal 1, 2, m equal to 3, 4. And here we can put 1, 4. 2, 3 are the median values. The 2, 5 we can get the 2.5 as the result. The code in Python thing. Can give class of solution, def find median sorted array. The parameters I can give self, num1, num2. The logic is nums is equal to sorted num1 plus num2. Sorted of num1, num2, num1 plus num2. Then I write n equal to length of nums. And I can write if n modulo by 2 equal to 1, return float of nums n and divided by 2. Else return nums. In the square bracket I can write n divided by 2 minus 1 plus nums of n divided by 2 divided by 2.0. That's why we can write float here. That's why we can write 2.0. Let's run the code. We get the output. So there is no more error in the code. Let's submit the code. We get the best result. That's it. This is the simple and easy code in median of sorted arrays. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Tech with Vijay for more awesome and intelligent videos guys. Bye.